Hi, welcome to this very quick session around Agile tools, techniques, methods and approaches. So first off, make sure people see it, group the work into common areas of work, map it, keep it simple, keep it tightly focused and take feedback on a regular basis and of course collaborate. So let's just dig very quickly into each one of those. So make sure people see it. Use visual props, consider whiteboards, photos, bar charts, pie charts, any kind of mind map stuff that you may have, and put it up on a wall. Put it in a common area where people can see it. Show the progress, show what you're working on. Where's the start, where's the middle, where's the end of that work stream. Basically make your day-to-day work more visible. It's easier to see sometimes where the bottlenecks are, where the problems are, where the issues may be once it's up on a board. Once you see it, once you've got that visual prop there, you can see where trouble may lie further ahead. And it's also harder to forget about activities or perhaps hide issues if they're there, if it's all transparent, if it's all there up front and everyone can see it. Second area, group into common areas of work. So consider how you work collaboratively. Consider all the information that's around on that project. Is it in private folders? Is it in people's private emails? Is it in email attachments? Is it on a complex and really long email thread where you have to scroll pages and pages to try and find that nugget of information? Think, is that a good thing for productivity? Well, no. Is it helpful when you're trying to get that information? Is it easy to get hold of? Well, not really, no. Duplication, a big risk of duplication there. Perhaps even that it's stored in different locations. You've got it in different people's folders, different data files, and just consider the wasted time that's impacting your project when people are just searching for that simple piece of key information. Use a forum approach in your tooling. So open it up to people, open it up to teams to join the conversation, to the people who need to be part of that conversation. Facilitate mini projects and campaign activities to people who are specifically involved in that project. Make sure it's limited to the people that need to know, not sending out to absolutely everybody. Keep it to the people who need to know. Map it. Map the workflows you're working on. Include packages. What's the time frame on it? Who's involved? What's the actual outcome? You're going to have tangible, intangible areas there. Keep it all transparent. Transparency helps communication, it helps collaboration, consistency, and it helps break down some of those cross-organisational silos as well. Certainly helps with gap analysis and potential blockers that may be ahead. Keep it small, keep it tight, keep it focused. Work in small, dynamic and flexible groups. Have regular sprints. Work as an integrated team. Just consider how much document do you really need? Is it a light touch? Is it a medium touch? Or is it a full touch in terms of the amount of document? Use it for focusing on discrete work packages and really focus on the end-to-end value stream. And then consider resourcing techniques as well. And an example there might be swarming. And then, of course, take feedback on a regular basis. Keep the feedback, the technique, the mechanism, whatever it is, keep it regular, keep it nice and simple. Don't get too complicated. Don't get too formal here. Just keep it nice, simple, quick, not complex, not formal. The benefits of doing that is you've got a greater likelihood of people actually listening and acting upon that feedback. If it's too convoluted or it's too complex, people may turn off and may not act on it as much. And speed of feedback needs to be considered as well. There's no point in providing that feedback and there's a long delay in order to get that feedback. You want it quick, you want it straight away, ideally. Collaborate. So consider the tooling and the techniques that you're using. Are the tools, are your techniques collaborative in nature? Are they really collaborative, or do they just say they are? Does it allow for a two-way conversation with your customer, with your stakeholder? Use social media platforms that you can get quick, instant, very transparent, very open dialogues going and lots of data to be collected there that you can use. That's it. Please do subscribe to the channel and like.